Okay, today I will demonstrate how to screen project to various displays, including the TV, computer, phone, and also how to broadcast the audio via that device. In addition, I will show how to control certain devices with another device. So let's start by screen projecting the computer to the TV. Simplest method is to use an HDMI cord. Otherwise, if it's a smart TV, you can use Bluetooth. So let's head over to the Bluetooth devices. Okay. Add device, wireless dock or display, monitor, TV, PC, and it will detect your TV if your Bluetooth pairing is on. So mine's already paired. It's called basement. However, it's not connected yet. So Windows K, screen cast, and here it is, basement. Now it's connecting to my TV, and there is a prompt on my TV. Okay, so I'm recording my laptop, so you can't actually see my TV, but I will show you that it is actually casting to my TV. So Windows P, more display settings, and here you can see this is my TV, number 2, the 4K one. Okay. Press identify, and my screen laptop is number 1 and the TV is number 2. So I usually like to extend these displays to maintain the resolutions. So now that the screen is projecting to the TV, how can we get the audio playing from the computer and output via the TV? Let's go to our sound settings. So here, sound settings, right click the sound icon, and here you have digital output, Dave laptop. Okay, this is actually my TV that's outputting it. So let's see. Yep. Let's say you need to make sure it's outputting from the TV and not your computer. Make sure your TV is the default device. Here we go. Test. Okay. So if you want to change the audio settings, I believe you have to do it via your TV. The computer can only output the audio to the TV. So if you have Dolby Atmos or Dolby DTX, any of those sounds enhancing applications or software, you would use your TV to do that without screencasting. Alright, let's now start by connecting an Android phone to your smart TV. So again, I'm recording via my laptop screen. So I will actually show you how to connect your laptop and phone using the Phone Link app. Okay, open Phone Link, Microsoft. Okay, here we go. Now, let's see my devices. So it loads the phone screen. You can actually tap this icon right here to load the phone. And this right here will control your phone or you can use the actual phone device to control this laptop phone screen. Either way is fine. Okay, so now that you can see my phone screen, I want to connect to the TV. So let's see. I have an LG TV. So I've downloaded the ThinQ app. Click on that. Here's my TV. I can turn it on or turn it off via this button, or use my phone as a button or as a remote if you would like. So let's say I have an application that I want to display on my TV. I will go to YouTube Studio. Here's my YouTube channel. Content. Let's go to the PC troubleshooting advice. Okay, so I have all right, so as you can see, I can screencast this to my basement, and it will open the YouTube app or just directly screencasts. Okay. All right. YouTube on TV, and now you can hear the TV sound, and you can play videos via your phone onto your TV. So the video is playing on my TV. It's not playing on my phone. It's actually just playing on a TV. But what's useful about this is that you can have multiple devices. So let's say you're at a business meeting, you need to have the TV set up, the laptop, and your phone. There's almost possible ways to cast your laptop to the TV and then have your phone act as either as a video call or Zoom, or you can use your laptop as a Zoom video device. And also, as for the smart TV, you also have some certain TV apps which can allow you to play its native resolutions or native sounds. So I've tried airplaying my iPhone to my LG Smart TV, and it also works. Pretty much the same steps. Go to Home app, add the TV, make sure Bluetooth is paired first, and you're able to play, your own photos or videos on your phone to your TV. Unfortunately, iPhone cannot connect to Microsoft PC, Windows, I believe they have to be the same brand. Apple and Apple, and Windows and Windows, or Windows, Microsoft, PC, and Samsung. So if it's Apple, it cannot link to your PC. So another interesting thing to note is that I can open up Media Classic Player BE, and I will open file or URL. Here you can see I'm opening TikTok. Let's see, I don't think this is the right URL, but let me go to my YouTube channel and go to my videos. Here I have this video. Okay. Copy the URL and open the URL, and it will automatically play my YouTube video locally. So it's kind of like network streaming. Keep your computer up to date and troubleshoot. So you can also network stream live videos as well via VLC Media Player or via the Media Classic Player. Connected if you are using a laptop. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you will have success in projecting your screens to whatever device you need to. Again, good luck with the Bluetooth connections, and make sure the network Wi-Fi's or the network connections are on the same network, local or Wi-Fi. Thanks again. That's it.